Navigate website automatically. What that mean? That mean that you have a website. For example, here this is eBay, and you have a task. So you keep just every time you enter to that website, to this page here. For example, if there is a new listing, you put in Excel sheet, for example. So that's what this program do. It do it automatically. Okay. So let me show you. Let me explain a little bit that code, and then I will show you an example. This is very simple code. Okay. So before I start, I want to tell you that if you want my help, you will find the link in the descriptions below. Or let's see an example before, and then I will explain the code. Okay. So that's the program here. When I start, so it's open that page here. I specify that page here, and then when I open that Excel, it will be here an update. Okay, so those are, I just specify for those 6 last listing products. Okay. So if there is, so this code here, for I specify 10, what that mean? That mean 10 minutes. You can change it. You can make, for example, for 1 minute. Every 1 minute, this program open that page and check if there is a new listing. It will put it here. Okay. It will add it here in that file. In background, I put false. That's why when we run, we see that's browser. If we want to make it just work in the background, I put it true here. Okay, and that's here I specify that that link of this page here, and so this program just keep working all the day. Okay. And if there is a new update, a new listing in this page, it will add it here in this Excel sheet. This is a very simple example. So if you want my help, you will find the link in the descriptions below. And that's it. Thank you for watching.